The Rona 2. Rona is an island in the Hebrides of Scotland. And Rona 2 is an Oyster 68 operated by the Rona Sailing Project. She's registered in Hamble in England and has a height of 24 metres and a length of 20.5 metres. She carries 16 trainees and a permanent crew of 7. She has a white hull with a navy stripe above the waterline and her non-slip beige decking and a wooden trim at deck level. Her superstructure is white with a number of small rectangular portholes. Her 2 masts are metal and she can rig 4 sails.